Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Uma from Disney Descendants in Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit and I'm going to show you how I made this one. Alright, to make the tutorial faster, I'm going to immediately show you the items that you need to choose to create this look. Start from the hairstyle, you can choose this one and then you're going to color it with this color. Okay, you can follow my color and then you're going to combine it with this hairstyle. Make it this color. And then for the jacket, you can use this jacket from the Summer Quest. Okay, and then you're going to color it with this color. Okay, and then you're going to put on the skirt from the Summer Update. And for this skirt, you're going to apply pattern. You can apply this pattern. And then put on this Ella skirt. You're going to apply this pattern as well. Okay, and then put on this jellyfish skirt. This is from the VIP room. And then you're going to color it with this color. And then for the texture, you're going to make it glitter. And then you're going to put on this dress. Choose skirt only. And you're going to color it with this color. And then make it glitter. Okay, and then you can put on this hat. This is from the VIP room and color it like this. And you're going to put on this belt, also from the VIP room, and color it black and brown. And then put on this necklace, make it this color. And then the last one, you can put on this boot, and then you're going to make it like this. Okay, done. I think I have already mentioned all the items that you need to put on. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.